If you feel a panic attack starting, try to remain calm. Say to yourself, "I'm not to worry, it will pass." The most common symptoms are dizziness, headaches, chest tightness, rapid heartbeat, sweating, feeling detached from reality. A grounding technique that's proving to be helpful is the 3-3-3 rule. Focus on 3 things you see. Focus on 3 sounds you hear. Finally, focus on 3 parts of your body that you can move. Such as, I see a chair. I see a picture on the wall. I see a potted plant. I hear a clock ticking. I hear a bird singing. I hear a dog barking. I can tap my head. I can wave my hand. I can shake my foot. The more you pay attention to the physical sensation of your body, the quicker it will help you to regain control. In no time at all, you will start to feel grounded, and the panic attack will soon disappear.